At this point, what I want to show you is something that's a very common dilemma when people rely upon static routing. When routers are only set up to do static routing, you have to think that static routes have only a single direction. What that means is that on my 3800 router, but only if I have to, and if I use static routing as my only solution, I will provide static routes to every target network. But I also need to make sure that I repeat the same thing on all other routers as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and prove this theory by utilizing an advanced ping. Now, an advanced ping is executed by simply typing in the ping command. Once I do that, it will prompt me for the rest of the information. Now watch closely. I'm going to enter an IP. My target IP address is going to be 172.16.3.1, on which I have a path to that network. This local router knows how to get to the 3.1 network. Let me show you what happens. My repeat count 5 is fine. Datagram timeout. But what I want is extended commands. This is going to give me options that will allow me to choose a source interface. Now, the source interface that I'm going to choose is the source address of 172.16.1.1. But what is that? That's the other side of my 3800 router. Now, do I know about 1.1? Absolutely, because it's a local interface. Do I know about 3.1? Absolutely, that's the static route. So when I go ahead and execute this ping, why in the world don't I get a reply? See, this is a very common dilemma that we face with static routing. What's happened here is that the network number 1 is known to the 3800, and network number 3 is known to the 3800 via static route. However, the 2800 router does not have a static route to network number 1. In fact, it is receiving the data, but it just doesn't know what to do with it, and it doesn't know how to get back because it doesn't have a route to network number 1.